mother is missing and the wife is in labor. Something is telling me that Edochie have started kidnapping my family members. That guy is a demon. I want you to find out what is happening and get back to me immediately. No matter what he brings into this war, I will topple that energy. Power for power. Energy for energy. Aura for aura. Obono for obono.
I will ask your brother's best friend, Eric. He should know about his whereabouts. And if he has been abducted, he will know.
Don't find out. Bring him here.
Calvin!
I can see you're making an unannounced, unapproved emergency exit. The boss wants to see you. Move. He said now, shut up.
Now, you are fully healed and fortified against man and spirit. No bullet will pierce your skin. The great spirit of Odukonamba is with you. Go and do the needful and get your unrest soul a rest. But remember, you are not God. Dodge as many bullets as you can. Makano yeti nazo. Nazo where?
Ralph.
Sir, please. I am not the one responsible for your daughter's pregnancy. It's not me. I've never touched her. I've never touched her in my life. I've never.
Who told you my daughter is pregnant?
Nobody told me. I found out myself.
I'm sure you equally found out who's responsible for the pregnancy.
Yes, sir. Him! He is responsible, sir.
Naomi, my lady.
Now wow. So she would knock Oga Pikin. Wonder shall never end.
No, I'm not responsible.
How dare you? How dare you? I hired you as my cook. I pay you good money. I take care of you, I take care of your bills. And how do you pay me back? Huh? How do you pay me back? You bother. Silence. Why did you shoot his second leg?
That leg was shaking and nobody shakes when my husband shoots. It's a great disrespect to the great Ganduje and I cannot sit back and watch that happen.
You see?
Someone should please call the police. This man is going to kill me. This man will kill me. Someone should please help me. I don't know. God, please, I promise you, I will never cheat again. I promise you. Just save me from this situation. For the sake of my wife, please. I'm a unborn child. Just save me. I promise you, I will never cheat again. Please. Someone should call the police. This man will kill me. This man will kill me. Someone should call. Someone should call the police, please. I never had sex with the doctor. Please don't give me. Don't give me. I never had sex with the doctor. I never had sex with the doctor. Please.
My sunshine. My beautiful princess. The most beautiful girl in the world.
Oh, stop.
Tell them I say so. My full chest. Okay. My angel. So what are you doing in my office this early morning?
Why shouldn't I be here? Come on, I came to check up on you.
You came to check up on me?
Yes.
Naomi, that's a lie. But I like the sound of it.
It's not a lie, though. I actually came to check up on you. And I also wanted to find out the name of a strong medication that could terminate early pregnancy.
Naomi, and who wants to make use of it, if I may ask?
Oh, wait, Naomi, are you pregnant?
What? Stop, why would you say that? I'm not pregnant. I just wanted to know. Listen, are you telling me or not?
Naomi, I know all the names of the contraceptives you can think about. I mean, all. And I'm ready to tell you, but only on one condition.
Which is?
Whatever it is that gave Naomi the guts to come and ask me names of contraceptive pills must be something serious. Yeah, it's either she's pregnant or she's getting ready to get pregnant. Well, in any case, I will keep a close eyes on her, and whosoever that is not afraid to get her pregnant. After all, her father is going through in prison because of her. That person should be ready to wage war against her father whenever he comes out from prison. As a consigned staff, mine is to keep close eyes on her and every single move she makes. Oh yes.
Naomi, what are you doing here? Your mother warned me countless times about you coming to the staff quarters, especially to see me.
Keep your phone.
You're not supposed to be here. What are you doing here?
I understand. I just need your help. Just one last time, please. I need you to help me get this job. Here's the money for the job. Take it.
What? Who prescribed these drugs for you?
A friend of mine, she needed my help to get the job, so she pleaded with me to get it for her.
Naomi, so you've started keeping friends who take abortion pills, right?
How do you know it's an abortion pill?
I'm not a child, alright? I know all the names of abortion medications in the world.
Shh! Can you keep your voice down? Listen, I just need your help. Can you just get it for me, please?
You know what? Your mom needs to know this.
No. She cannot know about this, please. My mom cannot find out about any of this. I'll pay any amount. How much do you want? 20,000. I'll give you 20,000. Just get this medication for me. It's very important, please.
20,000.
Wait here, let me get the money. Just wait here. Get the drugs, please.
It's fine. I'll get them, right? I think Kevin did. So stop that!
I will forgive you for moving the second leg if you tell me the truth. Did you get my child pregnant?
Baba God. Baba God, how many people they go by before you go reach my turn? How many people, Baba God? Hey God. Tonto carry me come here, I beg. I promise you, if you stay with me, I go give my life to Christ. Baba God, if you see me near Tonto again, will not be my wife. I beg, by me. I beg. I never let you die. I beg, I see my child, I beg. My unborn child, I beg. Oh God, I beg, save me. Anything we consign Tonto, I don't come on my hand. I beg. I go there focused on my wife. I beg, oh God, help me. Please God, help me, no one die. Hey, God, hey. Oh God, I beg.
Boss. Eric here has something to tell you about your brother.
Eric, where is my brother?
Don't say so. Your brother Mike is having an affair with a woman named Rose. I tried several times to talk him out of it, but he refused. A few days ago, he told me he was going to see this same lady to give him money. Money he will use to make preparations for the delivery of his child. Information reaching me is that the husband of this woman came back from prison while he was still in the house with the woman. Don, I don't know if he's still alive or dead, but he's tucked in the house.
My brother is having an affair with a married woman.
Yes, Don.
And who is this man that my brother is stuck to his house?
His name is Ganduji.
If my brother is stuck in Ganduje's house, that means he's been kidnapped by that demon. We have to get him out immediately and alive.
Yes, boss.
Nothing must happen to my brother. Nothing.
Egypt. Zazu is far beyond your reach. You cannot go against him in anything. He will destroy you. The only way to avenge and destroy him totally is to sell the information you have about Zazu to him. Make some money, travel overseas, and establish yourself. Before Ganduje finds out that you are involved in the vandalization of his mother's grave. Huh?
Dante, what do you mean by I will make money from the information that I have? Who is Ganduje and which grave are you talking about?
Egypt. Have you forgotten that I am Dante the Precante? There is nothing that happens in the street that I don't know. I am not a kid in the street, and you know that. Look, I know what led to you getting shot, and the woman you people exhumed her grave. That woman is the mother of the dangerous drug baron, Ganduje. He is out from prison, and he is looking everywhere for his mother's head. The same head you and Zazu made away with. let us approach him with this deal. Huh? Sell this information to him. I know Ganduje. He will pay handsomely for it. He will. Huh? Look, Egypt. You and I know that the only person capable of destroying Zazu right now is Ganduje. Let him end it.
This sounds like a nice idea.
Of course it is.
But I cannot wait and see that bastard that shot me walk freely without putting up a fight. My mission right now is to kill Zazu. And you will help me to do that.
And so shall it be.
We have to get him out before that demon kills him. And we must never spare any bastard that tries to disrupt that. Is that clear?
Yes, boss.
Good.
We here, boss.
Onena pia kuigwa na meme.
Yes, I am still alive and I'm here to end you.
Egypt, did you kill him?
No, I didn't kill him. Don Zazu used his strange powers to jam my gun. My gun stopped working.
Egypt, I told you. I told you that a man like Don Zazu cannot be killed just like that. He is a strong man. If you must do that, that means you have to look for another means. We'll go for plan A.
Oh, madam, please, I beg you in the name of God, I beg you. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I swear the last of my leg.
My child does not go anywhere without you. She's always with you, so you have to tell me the truth. My child pregnant.
Sheung, you finally succeeded in getting our boss's only child and only daughter pregnant. And now you guys want me to get abortion pills to terminate the pregnancy. You guys have chosen the wrong guy for this mission. This young girl is too smart. She will Google the name of this medication when she sees it. And that's the last thing I want. But once I give her the medication without the name, she will believe it's for the purpose for which she requested it.
I removed the pack because I don't want your mother or anyone to check. Alright?
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You can confide in me anytime on the day. Alright?
Of course I will. I will.
Alright. I am not responsible for your daughter's pregnancy. I am not. She only gave me money to help her get abortion pills so she can terminate the pregnancy. So I left, but I didn't get the abortion pills. Instead, I got supplements that will nourish both mother and child. Besides, I don't want to be a party to those who will support the termination of the grandchild of the great Edochie. Ma, please. I beg you in the name of God Almighty, spare my life. I'm innocent.
Enough. Do not shoot anyone here again till I give the order. disappointed in you. I spent a couple of months in jail, and you couldn't run this home. You could not take care of our teenage daughter. Under your watch, all this bullshit happened. And you. What have I not done for you? Virtually everything you ask for as my child, I provide. Everything. You get the best of everything. Go to the best schools, wear the best clothes, travel around the country. Whatever you want, I give to you. And how do you choose to pay me back? By spreading your legs for some fool and getting pregnant. You are a disgrace to this family. Your plan is to drag the great Ganduje's name in the mud. I will not let you do that. I'll ask the question once. If you fail to give me the answer I'm looking for, I will shoot you in the head. Who is responsible for your pregnancy? I see you think I'm joking.
Please, I beg you. Please, let me talk to her as a mother. Please. She's just a child and she's still in shock.
Boss, he's an old school friend of mine from the university. He's got information regarding your mother.
When?
Now, they're at the gate, sir.
Bring them in.
Yes, boss.
Napoleon.
Boss.
My walking stick. Nobody moves from here. March everybody to the guard room, lock them up there. I'll take care of business once I return.
Yes, boss.
Egypt, I understand how you feel. But you cannot win or avenge to the fullest what that bastard did to you with that money. Look, let me tell you. Lack of money can make you lose a war that you are not meant to lose. Egypt, we need money to buy guns and bullets. We need this deal. We need to close this deal. And when we get the money, we will mobilize to the fullest. Then you will avenge that bastard.
Dante, are you sure that this our plan will work as you planned it?
Egypt, have you forgotten why they call me Dante the Precante? It will definitely work.
I trust your judgment.
It will work. You got it? It will work. Here they come. Let's go. It will work. Huh?
was told you have vital information concerning my late mother's corpse. Speak to me. Who cut off her head?
I know who exhumed the body of your innocent mother and cut off her head. I can as well help you to recover the head back.
And what will that cost?
20 million for the information and 30 million to recover the skull of your late mom. I will also be needing arms from you.
Priest already vouched for both of you. But I'll make this clear. If after making the payment I notice some funny moves from both of you, not only will I come for you, I will come for your families.
There is no need for that. The priest here was my right-hand man during our university days. I know if you fall in hand now. Huh? You see, once the payment is made, we will provide you with all the necessary information that you need concerning your mother's head. Huh?
The payment will be made immediately. Priest will sort it out.
Priest, it is nice doing business with you once again.
Nice doing business with you. Come with me.
When he steps in, the ground goes still. Voices fade, but
my Lord, I hope everything is all right.
Everything is alright. I found some people who claim to have information concerning my mother's head. Once I get that information, I will fish out all of them. Everyone who is connected to this dastardly act, I will fish out all of them. And I will decapitate each and every one of them. I will not stop there. I will move to their lineage and cut off their heads. Including both of you, if you do not tell me who impregnated this bastard here.
My king, my lord, my husband, please, I am begging you. Just allow me to take her upstairs and talk to her. Let's have a heart-to-heart conversation. I promise you she will tell us everything we need to know. Please.
Mama,
Have they given you the information?
They gave up a few, but agreed to bring up the rest of the information when they get their money, boss.
Give me a glass of whiskey.
Stop crying, alright? It's okay, stop crying, everything will be fine. I need you to go to your room, relax, and I'll join you later, okay? Just go, everything will be fine. It's me, come. Look. Come. It's okay, everything will be fine, it's okay. Look, my husband is back and he's not in a good mood. But I promise you everything is gonna be fine. I need you to stay calm, okay?
I need to go home, please. I don't want to die.
No, you're not gonna die. No, you won't die. Listen, you will go home and everywhere is clear. For now, don't let anyone see you. Just stay put in the closet, okay?
How long? I want to go home.
Please, you need to understand me. You can't leave now.
When am I leaving?
Son, I promise. Okay, just please, just stay put.
Boss, we'll have a visitor.
Who?
I don't know him, but he came with his bodyguards and they are all armed, looking like they want to smoke.
In my house?
Yes, boss.
Priest.
Isi Oiza, Isi Oiza, Isi Oiza.
Who are you? And what are you doing in my compound?
My name is Don Zazu. I'm not here to see you.
You're not here to see me. So who are you here to see?
Your wife.
My wife?
Yes. I got an information that my brother is here. So if you don't mind, I'll call her and let me ask her about my brother. Because his wife just put to bed. And he has been missing.
So you believe my wife has something to do with your missing brother?
Yes. And that's why I'm here. To know whether he's missing or not.
And I will put the bullet in your head if you don't leave this compound this minute. I don't know your brother. I've never met your brother and I don't want to meet him. Get it?
If you don't honor your husband, you're obliged to talk to Don Zazu with maximum respect. If anything happens to my brother at the end of this day, you and your entire family will face me.
Face who? Nayala. Huh? Face who? How dare you? How dare you walk into my compound and threaten my wife, Eselibo? Are you mad? Haven't you heard of the name Ganduje before? I am asking you. Does the name Ganduje sound like a joke to you?
Huh? Aware of the name Ganduje? Dangerous one. Well, as you already know, the street is military. No king rules forever. I am Don Zazu, new king of the boys, aka the hot pepper. Okirikiri kanabukose. They are real.
Now one nego sim di ukose. Inano, asingi kosim di ukose. Mwetia. Mwetia di ukose. To God, one nenzo ya jaja. Get out of my compound now.
Ganduje, I'm fully aware that your scrotum cannot be bigger than your head. But if it gets bigger, I come over there. If you don't provide my brother the next few days, I will teach you that man past man is not a sentence, it's a threat.
Madman. You can't never have more wives. What's your business with his brother? Why will a man like that come to my house, saying he's looking for you, saying his brother is here, and you know about it?
Baby, I don't know this bastard and his brother you spoke about. I don't know those people. I've never seen them before. Sugar, please, let's concentrate on finding who is responsible for our daughter's pregnancy. That should be our priority for now.
What were you doing while I was in prison?
You're pointing a gun at me because of a man who just walked into this compound and accused your wife of his brother's disappearance. End me. End me if you think I'm guilty. End me if you think I have a hand in his brother's disappearance. End me.
I don't think your brother will take the risk of coming to a married woman's house to sleep with her. Judging from the look of that woman, I don't think she is stupid enough to bring another man into her matrimonial home.
When I look into her eyes, I could see that she knows my brother's whereabouts. Maybe we start looking for hotels in the street to find out where my brother is. Because I suspect she lodged my brother in one of the hotels and went back home to stay with her husband. But what confuses me is why my brother should turn off his phone, knowing fully well that his wife is about to deliver. I don't understand that.
I will instruct my boys to put words in the street and in all hotels in and out of the city while we keep an eye on the roads.
Street is military.
Who owns it?
I don't know, sir.
No. My wife. Alaga Abamunaki about today. Can you hear me? Alaga Abamunaki at this house.
There's nobody in this house.
Who's in there? I'm asking you. Who is inside that wardrobe? Come out now. For the last time, whoever is in there, come out now. I will count to 5. If you're still there after 5 counts, I will fire you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Baby, I told you there is no one in this house.
Stop her! Yeah. Putaba. Just chill my up, Putaba. If you are a idiot. Putaba, just my up. Putaba. Just come out. Show me exactly where you want me to shoot you. Please, show me the point you want.
Right there! Go back inside! I said, go back! He's doing mad! So you came back.
I cannot leave my child and my unborn grandchild behind.
Useless woman. That is what you are. Useless. So this is what you do behind my back. I spent months in prison. What were you doing? Bringing men into my house and sleeping with them. Shame on you. That's how you brought this mosquito. Now.
Please.
Napoleon.
Boss.
Tie her up. I believe she will still be useful to me.
Sit on the floor. Go down!
Boss, I have them in our hideout.
Priest.
Boss.
In our town. I asked you a question, priest. In our town.
I am deeply sorry, boss. I love your daughter, boss. And she loves me too, boss. But honestly, I am sorry. I am very sorry, boss. Please. Please, boss. Please, boss. Please, boss. Please, boss. Don't hurt my baby, boss. Please.
Bastard. Bastard!
Boss.
Daddy, please. If you're going to shoot him, you have to shoot me first.
How could you do this, priest? How could you betray me this way? I picked you up from your village when you had nothing. You were nothing. Your parents had just died.